You walk into the room, heart racing, palms sweaty. You want to say something, anything, but your mind goes blank. The moment passes, and you're left thinking, why can't I just talk like everyone else? If that sounds like you, you're not broken. You just haven't been taught how to be socially fluent yet. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple systems that will make conversations feel effortless, even if you're shy, quiet, or introverted. And don't forget to check the link in the description for your free Conversation Toolkit PDF planner, filled with practice prompts and daily confidence builders. Part 1. Psychological Hacks for Conversation Flow. Let's start with what's going on in your brain. The real reason you freeze up isn't a lack of intelligence, it's overload. Your brain is trying to think, evaluate, impress, avoid rejection, all at once. That's like trying to text, drive, and juggle at the same time. Hack number 1, the 3-second rule. If you think of something to say it within 3 seconds. Don't wait for it to be perfect. The longer you hesitate, the more awkward it feels. Speed builds spontaneity. Hack number 2, the spotlight flip. Most shy people think everyone is watching them, but most people are actually thinking about themselves. Flip the spotlight. Focus on making the other person feel seen. Ask, smile, nod. That energy invites connection. Hack number 3, rehearsal in safe spaces practice, talking out loud to yourself or in front of a mirror. It might sound silly, but it builds verbal fluency and comfort. Try narrating your day, summarizing a book out loud, or even pretending you're on a podcast. Part 2, the conversation. Reliable techniques you can use in almost any conversation. Tool number 1, the FORD method. This acronym stands for family, occupation, recreation, dreams. Ask open-ended questions like, what do you like most about your job? How do you relax after work? What's something you've always wanted to do? These unlock deeper, meaningful conversations without small talk. Tool number 2, the echo technique. Repeat the last few words the person said, but as a question. So, you said you started painting recently? It makes people feel heard and encourages them to open up more. Tool number 3, story switch framework. Every conversation has 2 roles, the storyteller and the story switcher. When someone tells you something, don't just respond with cool. Relate with your own short story. Example. Them. I just started running. You. No way. I used to hate running until I did this 5K with my friend. Changed everything. Use this sparingly to keep balance, but it builds instant relatability. Part 3, mindset to mastery. Lastly, let's talk mindset, because even with tools, you'll never speak freely if you're shackled by fear. Mindset number 1, rejection is not failure. Being ignored, interrupted, or misunderstood is normal. Even the most charismatic people experience it. Don't take it personally. Treat every conversation as practice, not performance. Mindset number 2, you're allowed to be awkward. Being awkward means you're real. Some of the most lovable people aren't smooth talkers, they're genuine. What matters is showing up, not being perfect. Mindset number 3, growth through exposure. You won't get confident by staying silent. You grow by speaking more and in one sentence at a time. Join meetups, ask a stranger for the time, talk to a cashier. Each tiny rep is a vote toward your new identity. Someone who always has something to say. You don't need to become an extrovert, just a better version of you who knows how to start, maintain, and enjoy a great conversation. Now tell me in the comments, which hack are you going to try first? See you in the next video, where we unlock another part of your potential.